Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles 2024? Here are my full reviews of the best pickleball paddles 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Recess Pickleball Single Paddles Fiberglass Surface, Honeycomb Core Sweatproof Foam Comfort Grip Canvas Cover and Silicone Grip Ring Tournament or elevate your pickleball game with Recess Pickleball Single Paddles. Crafted with a fiberglass surface and honeycomb core, these paddles offer optimal performance and durability. The sweatproof foam comfort grip ensures a secure hold during intense matches, while the canvas cover keeps your paddle protected when not in use. Plus, the silicone grip ring adds extra stability and control to your swings. Whether you're a casual player or a tournament pro, these paddles are designed to enhance your gameplay experience. With their lightweight yet sturdy construction, Recess Pickleball Single Paddles are the perfect choice for players of all skill levels. Gear up and get ready to dominate the court with confidence. Number 2. JoncAye Pickleball-Paddles-Set of 2 with 4 balls, racket bag, USAPA compliant pickleball equipment with accessories, fiberglass, carbon rackets for adults. Introducing the JoncAye Pickleball-Paddles-Set, a comprehensive package designed to elevate your pickleball experience. This set includes 2 premium paddles crafted from a blend of fiberglass and carbon for optimal performance and durability. Compliant with USAPA standards, these paddles ensure fair play and reliable performance on the court. Along with the paddles, you'll receive 4 high-quality pickleballs, ensuring you're ready to start playing right away. The included racket bag offers convenient storage and transportation for your equipment, keeping everything organized and protected. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out, this set provides everything you need to enjoy pickleball to the fullest. Elevate your game with JoncAye Pickleball-Paddles-Set and experience the excitement of this fast-paced and engaging sport. Number 3. Play Paddles Pickleball Paddle USAPA Approved Pickleball Racket, Carbon Fiber and Polymer Honeycomb Composite Core, Hyper Grip Surface with Graphite. Introducing the Paddles Pickleball Paddle, a premium choice for players seeking top-notch performance on the court. Crafted with a blend of carbon fiber and polymer honeycomb composite core, this paddle offers the perfect balance of power and control, enhancing your gameplay to new heights. Approved by the USAPA, USA Pickleball Association, you can trust in its quality and adherence to official standards. The Hyper Grip surface with graphite ensures a superior grip, allowing for precise shots and maneuverability during intense rallies. Whether you're a beginner honing your skills or a seasoned player looking for a competitive edge, this paddle delivers the durability and responsiveness needed to excel in every match. Experience the difference with Paddles Pickleball Paddle and elevate your game to the next level. Dominate the court with confidence and precision, knowing that you have a reliable and high-performance paddle by your side. Number 4. GoSports GS Pro USAPA Approved Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle. The GoSports GS Pro USAPA Approved Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle is a high-performance paddle designed for serious players. Crafted with precision using premium carbon fiber material, this paddle offers unparalleled durability and responsiveness on the court. Its USAPA approval ensures it meets the standards set by the governing body for competitive play. The sleek design incorporates a comfortable grip that reduces fatigue during long matches, while the carbon fiber surface provides excellent control and power for precise shots. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out, this paddle enhances your game with its superior quality and performance. Dominate the pickleball court with confidence using the GoSports GS Pro USAPA Approved Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle. Number 5. Gamma Sports NeuCore Pickleball Paddle, Textured Graphite, Power Surface, Comfortable Grip. Introducing the Gamma Sports NeuCore Pickleball Paddle, engineered with textured graphite for enhanced control and durability. Its power surface design delivers dynamic shots, ensuring optimal performance on the court. Experience superior comfort during play with its ergonomically crafted grip, reducing fatigue and maximizing your gameplay. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out, this paddle offers a perfect blend of precision and power. Elevate your pickleball experience with Gamma's innovative technology and reliable construction. Dominating the game has never been easier or more comfortable. Gear up with Gamma Sports NeuCore for your next match and unleash your full potential.